Conversational AI has reached new horizons with the advent of GPT-4, the latest iteration in the GPT series developed by OpenAI. Building upon the success of its predecessors, GPT-4 introduces a host of incredible features that redefine the boundaries of human-like interaction. With advancements in natural language processing, contextual understanding, and responsiveness, GPT-4 promises to revolutionize the way we engage with AI-powered conversational systems. In this video, we will delve into the extraordinary features of GPT-4 and explore its potential impact on various domains. 1. Enhanced natural language understanding. One of the most impressive features of GPT-4 is its enhanced natural language understanding capabilities. The model has been trained on a vast corpus of diverse texts, allowing it to comprehend and interpret user queries with remarkable accuracy. GPT-4 leverages advanced techniques such as unsupervised pre-training and fine-tuning to grasp the nuances of human language. It can handle complex sentence structures, idiomatic expressions, and even contextual references, making interactions with the model feel more natural and intuitive. Moreover, GPT-4 demonstrates an improved ability to understand user intent, enabling it to generate more relevant and meaningful responses. It can effectively extract key information from user inputs and provide accurate answers or suggestions. 2. Expanded knowledge base. To enrich its responses, GPT-4 incorporates a significantly expanded knowledge base. OpenAI has taken great strides in curating and incorporating information from diverse sources, including reputable websites, academic papers, and other reliable references. This extensive knowledge base empowers GPT-4 to provide up-to-date and accurate information on a wide range of topics. Whether it's historical events, scientific concepts, or current affairs, the model can generate insightful and well-informed responses. OpenAI has also implemented a continuous learning mechanism, allowing GPT-4 to stay updated with the latest information. As new data becomes available, the model can adapt and incorporate it into its knowledge base, ensuring users receive the most accurate and relevant information. 3. Multimodal capabilities. One of the groundbreaking advancements in GPT-4 is its multimodal capabilities, enabling it to process and understand both text and images. This integration of visual and textual information enhances the model's comprehension and enables it to generate more contextually appropriate responses. By incorporating images into the conversation, GPT-4 can understand and respond to visual prompts. For example, when asked about a particular landmark or object, the model can analyze related images and provide detailed descriptions or additional information. Furthermore, GPT-4's multimodal capabilities enable it to generate image-based responses. Users can provide image inputs, and the model can generate captions or even complete visual compositions based on the content and context of the images. 4. Improved contextual understanding and continuity. Building upon the contextual understanding of its predecessors, GPT-4 demonstrates remarkable proficiency in maintaining context throughout extended conversations. It can retain information from previous exchanges, allowing for more coherent and meaningful interactions. The model uses context windows to capture and remember relevant information, ensuring that it considers the conversation history when generating responses. This feature significantly enhances the continuity of conversations and reduces the instances of repetitive or irrelevant answers. Additionally, GPT-4 has a refined sense of context even in ambiguous situations. It can infer user intent more accurately by considering the broader context and leveraging contextual cues from the conversation. This contextual understanding enables the model to generate more nuanced and personalized responses. 5. Enhanced control and customization. OpenAI has made significant efforts to address concerns related to model behavior and control. GPT-4 incorporates an advanced set of tools that allow users to customize and guide the behavior of the model according to their preferences. The model comes with a range of default behavior settings that aim to be useful and respectful. Users have the flexibility to customize these settings within certain bounds to align with their desired outcome. OpenAI provides guidelines and interfaces to ensure that users can easily understand and apply the customization options effectively. Furthermore, OpenAI has integrated a moderation tool that helps prevent the generation of inappropriate or harmful content. This tool acts as an additional layer of control, allowing users and platform administrators to set content boundaries and ensure responsible usage of GPT-4. GPT-4 is a groundbreaking achievement in the field of conversational AI, offering incredible features that redefine the boundaries of natural language understanding and generation. Its enhanced capabilities in NLU, expanded knowledge base, multimodal integration, improved contextual understanding, and increased control and customization make it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications. As OpenAI continues to refine and develop the GPT series, the future of conversational AI looks promising. ChatGPT-4 is a testament to the progress made in the field, and it sets the stage for even more advanced and intelligent conversational agents in the years to come. With its impressive features and potential for customization, ChatGPT-4 holds great promise for transforming various industries, including customer support, education, content generation, and much more. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more of this content, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment below.